Every new car built for public roads must pass road safety certification. Without it, the car can't be officially sold. Europe has its own security parameters and an agency that checks them. America also has its own separate agency. They are very similar to each other, but without an American certificate, a European car can't be sold in the States and vice versa. The safest car in America this year was the Tesla Model X. Received 5 stars on all certificates. Tesla Model X became the most popular electric crossover with the safest car for parking. We must understand that situations on the roads are quite different. However, the safety of the driver and passengers is in the first place. To find out how safe the car is, the agency studies the consequences of side frontal impacts and overturning of the car. To get 5 safety stars, the car must not be damaged by more than 10%. In 2015, Tesla Model proved to be simply incredible in a safety test. Due to the absence of an engine and a gasoline supply system, the car body can be designed to be stronger. The Tesla company has worked very hard on the safety of its cars. Tesla passed all the blues very well. The body of the car was damaged by less than 6%. The car also passed the rollover test thanks in large part to the battery because it is very heavy and is located at the bottom. Thanks to this, the Tesla Model X became the safest crossover in the world, surpassing Volvo and Jaguar.